Hi, I am Amit. In this video, we discuss about the classification of cholinergic agent. These cholinergic agents which are having a different actions, like they can contract the smooth muscles, dilates the blood vessels, increases bodily secretions and slows the heart rate. Now here we discuss in detail about classification of these cholinergic agents. But before that, what is cholinergic agents? So cholinergic agents are chemicals that act on the same site as the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. They are drugs which stimulate the parasympathetic system and initiate or mimic the action of acetylcholine. Thus, these drugs are also called parasympathomimetics or cholinomimetics. So you may say that these cholinergic agents are nothing but the parasympathomimetics or cholinomimetics. Now about the classification of cholinergic drugs. These are broadly classified as direct acting cholinergics and indirect acting cholinergics. The direct acting cholinergic agonists work by directly binding to and activating the cholinergic receptors. So these direct acting cholinergics which have ability to bind to the cholinergic receptors, like the cholinergic receptor like the muscarinic and nicotinic receptors. So they will get binds to that and initiate the action same to that of acetylcholine. Whereas indirect acting cholinergic means this agent increases the availability of acetylcholine at the cholinergic receptors. So this doesn't directly get binds to the receptor, but they can increases the availability of acetylcholine. The enzyme which are responsible for the inactivation of acetylcholine is acetylcholine esterase. So these indirectly acting cholinergics will form a complex with acetylcholine esterase enzyme, and therefore these enzymes are not available for degradation of acetylcholine, and that's why there is an increase in availability of acetylcholine, and due to which it will be produced get binds to cholinergic receptor and produce the action. So these are indirect acting cholinergics. So direct acting cholinergics which are further classified as acetylcholine and related choline esters and cholinomimetics alkaloids. The examples of acetylcholine and related choline esters are acetylcholine, methacholine, carbacholine, bithnicol. Whereas cholinomimetic alkaloids are pilocarpine, muscarine and arecholine. Now moving to the indirect acting cholinergics. These acting cholinergics which are also known as anticholinesterase agent, as they will inhibit acetylcholinesterase enzyme. That's why the name anticholinesterase agents, which are further classified as reversible anticholinesterase agents and irreversible anticholinesterase agents. These irreversible anticholinesterase are nothing but the organophosphorus compounds. The reversible anticholinesterase include the truly reversible non-ester quaternary ammonium compound and the esters of this carbamic acid which react covalently with enzyme surface, and the enzyme can regenerate by hydrolysis, and that's why the name reversible anticholinesterase agents. And these reversible anticholinesterase which are of two types, means these are chemically as a carbamates ester derivatives, example like physostigmine. This is a carbamate ester derivatives including tertiary amines, and another example is a neostigmine which is a carbamate ester derivatives having a quaternary amines. Further, this having a simple quaternary ammonium compound, example hydrophonium. So here we discuss about the different example under this reversible anticholinesterase agents, or you may further classify it as a carbamates ester derivatives or simple quaternary ammonium compound. Here we commonly see the example of this reversible anticholinesterase agents like physostigmine, diastigmine, neostigmine, pyridostigmine, dimecarbonium, whereas the irreversible anticholinesterase agents, which are organophosphates and that results in a phosphorylated enzymes which are not significantly regenerated by hydrolysis, means enzymes which doesn't get regenerate after hydrolysis, and these agents have a limited therapeutic value but are of a great toxicologic significance, like they are used as an insecticide like malathion. So examples of this irreversible anticholinesterase are diisopropyl fluorophosphate, in short DFP, ecothiopate, tetraethyl pyrophosphate, octamethyl pyrophosphoramide, malathion, parathion. So all these are the examples of irreversible anticholinesterases. Here we discuss about the classification of cholinergic agents. Hope all of you getting this. Thank you. Keep learning.